Listen softly. It's time to rest now. I am safe. I am loved. My body feels calm. My eyes feel heavy. My breathing is slow and gentle. It is okay to rest now. I can sleep peacefully. Good night.